Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Launchpad to buy news token LD. I just log into my account and now I will be just move in my top left bottom corner home icon and just tab on this more button. And after more button, I will just find my launch poll. And when I was find it, I will just tab on it, launch pool, and it will be show me to collect earlier token in on Binance. So when it's loaded completely, so Binance Launchpad is a pioneer platform for exchange offering, so which has a transformed crypto crowdfunding by providing a secure and insufficient environment for crypto projects to raise capital. So from here, and token sales on Binance Launchpad operate on a subscription based model. Participants need to commit a specific amount of BNB to the token sale to participate in a token sale on Binance Launchpad. As an early contributor, individuals must hold BNB in their Binance wallet and subscribe to the sale during a designated subscription period. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.